Welcome to What's in the Pot. I'm your host, Sean Grande. Today we're making some jerk pork on the grill. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It's What's in the Pot. Welcome to What's in the Pot. I'm your host, Sean Grande. So for our jerk pork, the first thing we're going to be using is 3 pieces of pork loin. I actually washed and cleaned this pork loin out with a little bit of lime juice just to kill any of the freshness. Now I'm starting with some of my jerk dry rub. I'll post a link in the video on how you can make your own jerk dry rub. And ideally, you can use that dry rub by itself, but I like to add a little bit more flavor to it. So I'm using this Traeger pork and poultry. It's a little bit sweet, it's a little bit spicy. And then I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of just allspice powder. This is some fresh allspice berries that I had, and I blended them up. You can see some of the berries are still in there. So if you have the allspice berries or the pimento berries, you can go ahead and blend it up in like a little bit of a blender or a food processor and just crush them up and then add them into your dry rub. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure we coat both sides of this pork thoroughly with our dry rub. So don't be stingy, put as much as possible, put on the sides, put on the ends, because we want to make sure that this is coated, has a nice coating, creates a nice crust. Now what I did with the little bits of the pimento berries that were in the dry rub, I just kind of stuck it into the meat. It's just really to add a little bit extra flavor. Now I have my smoker preset to 225 degrees and I'm using a Traeger Ironwood 650. So what I do is I set at 225 degrees and I have it on the super smoke setting. If you don't have a super smoke setting, that's all good. You don't have to do that. Just let it smoke for maybe about an hour to an hour and a half at 225 degrees. You can see this is the setting here at 225 degrees, and we're gonna let that cook for about an hour. Now it's been an hour and maybe about 10 minutes, and we're gonna go ahead and crank up the temperature on the smoker to about 350 degrees. What we're gonna do is we're gonna let that cook until the pork reaches an internal temperature about maybe 160, 165. Generally pork loin you cook to about 145, 150. I like to cook it a little bit more, especially when I'm doing jerk pork. I like the flavors to kind of get in there. I also like to get a little bit more of that char. You can see there, it's getting a little bit of that char. It's getting that nice crust, and that crust has all that jerk seasoning, all that dry rub, all that flavor in there. So let's go ahead and take this into the kitchen and chop this up and see what we got. Now generally when I'm making pork like this, I like to chop it up and then cover it a bit of barbecue sauce. Sometimes you can eat just like that, but I like a little bit of sauce, especially if I'm eating with rice or eating it in a sandwich. One thing I would suggest is if you're cooking it with the pork loins, cook it to maybe about 150, 155 degrees. I did cook it a little bit longer than normal, but till next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow us on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Peace. At What's in the Pot.